In this video, I am going to show you how to fix no Roblox process found KRNL. So if you're experiencing this error, if you're seeing this on your PC when you open Roblox, then I am about to show you a method to fix this. So the first thing we want to do is to search in our search box, percentage app data percentage. Now we want to open this, and this will redirect us to our file explorer. So now we want to find here the KRNL folder, and we want to delete that. The next thing we want to do is to go to our app data folder and go to our local folder. So here are lots of folders. We need to find the Roblox folder. Now we want to open Roblox folder, and we want to find the logs folder. So we just want to delete that. So after that, we can already close our file explorer, and we wait for Roblox to reinstall all those files. So what we want to do is go to our browser and open Roblox. So basically here you just want to click on any game and run it. So then Roblox will automatically update their application and get all those files back. So that's how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.